Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's recipe today is gonna be a remedy for postrate enlargement. So this is to prevent postrate enlargement. So I also want to appreciate all my subscribers, both old and new subscribers, and I want to say thank you all for all your support. So I the video you're gonna watch the video to the end so that you can see how I how to prepare the remedy, and the things you need for the remedy. So thank you, and let's get started. Go to the main video. Okay, so this particular remedy, home remedy, this particular recipe is for those below 40 and those below 40 and above. This is for those below 40. I did not say above 40. This is for those below 40, a way they can prevent postrate. So if you have such person, this is what you're going to prepare for that person. It's just lime. You can also make use of lemon and onions. This size of onions you get 12 pieces. Then the bigger one you get 8. You blend it. So blending it may cause you to add water. You don't even need water. What you need is just the water of this, just the water and lime and honey. You can add it honey, or you just make use of these two things. You can add honey to the so all you need, I don't need to prepare anything or do it, I just need to show you this. You blend it, and either you smash it, then you bring out the water of the onions, then you put 4 of this to the 12. You put 4, then you add 4, even the 8, the bigger one, you add also 4 limes. And this is to prevent it, because a time why it comes, there's a time someone that is suffering from this will not be able to urinate, and it's very painful. It's not good to experience. So that is why this recipe is brought to you today. If you have the person suffering, anyone below 40 and above, make use of this for them. Get the juice of this and the juice of this, add it together and give to that person, and with honey. So but today, remember I said that I brought this for people that are below 40, a way they can prevent it. It's just simple, a simple remedy. You can do it yourself to prevent this. It's do this. You have to make use of this remedy to take care of yourself now, that you are still young. So when you get to the age of 40 and below, you won't suffer this. You don't have to suffer this kind of problem. And in that time, your gland can still be in good condition. So that is why you need this. You need to do this. Remember I say that you blend this with this. Just the water. Don't add and water. Just these things. You blend it and take the water. And you are going to take, remember I said the size of this size, you're going to get it 12. Why the bigger ones you get 8. If you have the bigger one, get 8 of it, but these little ones you get 12. Then you blend it and take the drink, add it with a little honey. Then you have to take this in the morning, the first thing in the morning, so that it will help to circulate in your blood and so that it can have a good work. So this is all I have today. I hope you try this, because it's very good. It's going to help the young ones now. It's going to help, really help. So do this, and you will see it's just good to help yourself to do this. If you have any young ones, tell them to do this to prevent such sickness, to prevent post-death. This is what they're going to do. So also remember, if you have not subscribed or you are not person here, please kindly click on the red button and the notification button, so that whenever I do any new upload, you'll be the first to be notified. So thank you very much for watching, and God bless you. Bye.